You gonna get up here? Well, you want up here too? Come on. Come on. Well, you gotta get all the way up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Well, that's only half. Whoa. Come on.
What are you doing?
Come on, get up here.
What are you doing, Tiger? What are you doing?
Come on, get up here. That's only half here. I can handle the other half. Come on. Get up here. I'll drag your ass up here. Come on. There you go. You see, that wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad. Was it? Was it? Was that so bad? Huh? There you go. There you go. Yes, you. Yeah, you. Oh.
What?
Oh,
the camera.
Boy.
You're sniffing the camera.
Oh, man. Oh. And a pop. And a pop.
There's a camera.
What
is this, huh?
Not my face.
The camera.
Not my face. Another face. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Alright, get up. You're too big for a lapdog.
Go get him. Get him.
What the fuck? I just threw you off me, didn't I? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
The tiger!
What's wrong with you?
The tiger!
You threw you off me.
Look at the tiger. Isn't that a beautiful tiger? Oh! Say hello to Tesoro. That's Tesoro. Yes.
Come on. Come on, get up. Shit. Hey. Hey.
Tesoro.
I'm not trying to make out with you. Get over. Tiger. Come on. Get over here.
Oh, hello, Tesoro.
Come on. Get up here. Get up here. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Come on, you little shithead.
We don't chew cords. Nope.
Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, that is. That's me. That's my little friend. What? You fucking bite me, you little shithead.
He wants to play.
No, I'll give you something to bite about.
He wants to play.
I will. I'll give you something to
I
bite
want to play. Let me play. Woo! Rah!
Oh, I got your tail. I got your tail. I did.
Oh, say hello to Tesoro.
Sarah, come here.
Tesoro.
Come here. There you go. There's my big old buddy. Good old buddy boo.
Where's my rascal?
There's my buddy.
Rascal. Rascal.
I didn't call
Where's
you.
my
I
rascal?
didn't call you. Rascal.
There's Rascal.
Rascal. Somebody get up here.
Yes.
Somebody get up here.
This is my baby right
There
here.
you go.
Stop kissing me. Stop kissing me. Look at the camera.
Yes.
Stop kissing me. Look at the camera. This is Rascal. This is my baby. He's a very big mama's boy. That's Tesoro. He loves to pounce and get you in the face. He'll literally jump up and hit you in the face. Not even joking.
What? What? And what? What? Good boy.
Just jumped up on him.
Good boy.
Just pounce. And there's my baby again. Come on. Come on, boy. Mama loves you. Mama loves you.
Right, from hands. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Oh, man. Well, you found my hat. You want to go fish that for me, too?
I don't tell them that. They might chew it all to hell and back.
You know what I'm going to do to you? Oh, you're fine. All right. I'm going to hide you. I'm going to hide you.
Now, isn't that cute?
Look what I just did. Oh, my God.
I'd say that's cute.
Come on.
Look
Get
at
up
that.
here.
Look at that.
Come on. Oh, shithead. What? What? You know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to lay on it. I'm going to lay on it. Fair play. Fair play. Look, hey, I'm supposed to lay on me.
Right, Terry.
Ah! No. He's biting me. I love your paw.
Say hi, Tykes. That's my baby over there, feeling so left out.
Okay, time to get off. Oh, left out. Goddamn hole. Hey, come here. Yeah, you. Hi. You haven't got him all up yet? No, you haven't. No, you have not. Come on. Good boy. Good
boy. Hello. I had a dog attack me.
Boy. It's a good boy. I got you. I did. I got you. Good. I did.
Get up on him.
Good.
Get him, Russell. Get up on him. Squish him. Stick him attack. Get him, boy. Yes. That is a big boy.
That's a big boy, huh? You got allergies. Hey. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. What you doing? What you doing? Get over here. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. That's stand on my freaking nuts. Come on. Rascal. Fall down, you bolt. Alright, give me another chance. Come on. Rascal. Rascal. Hello. Hey, over here. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. What? What? Not even paying attention. Hey. And I will. No, fuck. No, fuck. I'll box you again. Stay back. I have a paw. Holy shit. You okay? I got a paw and two tails. Now do it again. You just beat him up. How do you feel? Like a champ? Yeah. What the fuck? You okay? That was funny, I'm sorry. Oh, wait, you ain't coming no more? Come back here. Hey, come on. Oh, you're okay. Two paws. Not afraid of. And we got the winner. Alright, get off. What do you want?